Hello, I am going to teaching you about mathematics linear e equations. First, I will teaching you how to solve this problem with hand, and then I will teach you how to write program in Java programming language. Let's go. Here in this example problem, we have using data from 1980 and projected to 2050, the number of Hispanic in the United States civilian non-institutional population is given by these equations. Y we have population, X we have years. These equations we have in million, where X is the number of years after 1980. According to these equations, in what year will the Hispanic population equal? To this Y population, we must have this number of population. Now, Y we have this. We don't need to write this and this is just to tell us that we have the value of Y is in population, X is in years, and to tell that the value of population are in million. Now we have Y 876X. Now we must substitute Y is equal just to explain what we are doing. In these equations, Y we have the population, X is the number of years. We must find, according to this equation, in what year will the Hispanic population equal to this number. We must find the years. We must find the X. Now we must substitute the Y value to these first equations, and we will have 3, 6. To find the value of X, we must first this variable to move to left side, and we will have, but here's the plus. It means that when its sign is positive, we don't write plus. It is understood in mathematics. Plus value, when it's going in left side, it's changing the value sign. It will be minus 0.876x equal, and here it's remain 6084 4, and this number, when we change in right side, it is change the sign value. We will have minus 3674. Now in this equation we have here in minus, we must multiply by negative. When we multiply by minus, it's positive, it's plus. And here we can change the place, or we can directly multiplying. Here it's plus, multiplying by minus, we have, because when we are multiplying with negative sign, it's changing the sign. Because when we multiplying plus and plus, it's plus, or minus, multiplying plus, it's minus, and multiplying, when we have both negative, it's plus, or when we have plus multiplying by minus, it's minus. When we are multiplying the same sign, plus 2 plus, or 2 minus, we have the positive sign. When we are multiplying with different sign, it is equal with minus. And here we have, here it's minus, it will be plus 3674. Now we must calculate 3674. We have now, from these equations, we must find the value of x. To find the value of x, we must division with this number. We have when we have same, it means that it's 1, because when this is divided, and this by division, what will be the number? It's 3499. Thus, the number of Hispanic in the United States is estimated to be approximately 34.99. It means it's in million. Now the second method that we are going to solve this problem example is the method with programming language Java. We are going to solve this problem. I will highly recommend to use the IntelliJ IDEA. I think it's great program, but even that you can use the other programs like Eclipse, NetBeans, Android, or whatever program that is supported the Java programming language. Remember that in Java programming, one variable before you can use first, you must define to declare that variable. What type? Is it the number, decimal number, the double format, or is it in int format, or is string letter format, or character, or whatever the character it is. Now we are going to explain this in practice. For our example problem, we have the double format, double. For automatics, it's you can type sometimes you can type the control and space, and here is the automatic to choose what code to write. We have double. Now reference object, we can define whatever value we like. We have here for our example x, and the code, remember, is always is and with semicolon. Now we have double y. We like to have more space. We like to have the input type to give the value of y with keyboard, to be more general, whatever value that we like to calculate to be more universal for general form. We can write shortcut system out print line. To write string input value of y. This now we can write scanner from this class reference object, new class scanner system input type. This is the input value. Now this input value that we have give from keyboard, we like that value to save in y value. We have y. We are going to use this reference object scanner next, because next double we have next double, because we have here double, and that's the reason why we have type here double, and we are going to write the formula to calculate y divide 0.876 minus, it's good to have space, 694. This calculate this value. Shortcut we can write, or you can write by hand. System out print line we can write calculated value plus and value of x. Don't forget in the end semicolon. Now we can, for the first time, you can type here, or you can write here, or here, or type right here in mouse, run, input value of y. In our problem example, we have just is 36.74. Now this is our value calculated, or when for whatever value you can type here, 100, we have this please write any comment to my YouTube channel if you have any question about my video, or if you like any video to create about mathematics in application in real life, and to use that with Java programming. Write to my comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I wish to all you all the best.